put a line up this way. Tight. Morning, Cam.
Morning.
You okay?
Always,
Always, mate. It's Friday.
Yeah.
Basically a Thursday. But it is technically,
But we stay positive.
we stay positive. But we're always positive.
We're gonna have a good day.
We're going to have a beautiful day. The sun is shining. You use the scotch now and then.
I don't use one.
But on this stuff you don't need.
No.
You don't need, you know what I mean? The brick hammer I just like, you know what I mean? It's nice, it's delicate, you know what I mean? Like you say, it's cheap. What's good about these ones though is it's the metal handle, isn't it?
Goes all the way
It's,
through,
it's
yeah.
like one bit of metal all in. That's your...
I can't grip wood handles properly.
No,
No.
but it's heavy, that's what you need. Heavier, the better, admit. Oh, it's a lot better around here. Look at this. So we got rid of all the old rubble, soil yesterday, and now we've just got a sea. Was expecting slightly bigger, but it'll be all right. We've got a mix. As long as we've got a mix of sizes, you know, we'll be able to use up the smaller stuff. But it's just a lot more accessible now because everything was piled up, you see. So that looks a bit dirty in there, doesn't it? But here's a good pile. Oh, we got some good in there. There's some nice bits in there. Oh, what's that? Oh, what is that? It's been scored. It's blue lights. Oh, quite good to clean that up and actually have a look at that. But yes, that would certainly help us. Hey, puddy cat. Right, anyway, let's carry on with these ends and see what today brings.
Yeah, you put this sort of green, then that one will be the same that side, look.
Watch it out. You're better off just, yeah, like say we could just put a screw in on the end there and then just cross them over at the top so you don't actually cut the wood. Take that one. You can take that barrel, mate, because I'm pointing this up and then. Not for a minute, mate. I'm sorry, mate. It's a Friday, mate. I'm sorry, Cam. What are you doing, Cam? You're doing a really good job in there.
No, I'm not working tomorrow no more.
This is Cam. I need to strap a camera to you.
No, you don't.
Cam. You okay?
Yeah,
It's Friday, mate.
boy, alright? I'm catch boy up.
Me and him used to sit there going, nah, Pat likes me more. Pat likes me more.
I used to say, no, I don't have favourites. Like, you know that gymnastics, they've all been dropped. And they've just picked the 4 best.
You looked a bit worried walking around.
Yeah.
I said you did look a bit worried walking around.
What are you talking about, 1,000,000 miles an hour? Something?
What, bud? You're both just looking at me. What am I supposed to do? It's a beauty. With ours, he was the presenter, isn't he? You know, he does all the tennis. That stone there, I've put in there the level on top of it. That just needs a sliver on it, but I'm now going to get on that corner. Well, I'll get a couple of cornerstones on. And what I'll do that all the way around now. So have we got a decision for the lintel for the other door? Because obviously I can, once I get that corner in, basically look, once I get that corner in, to match up with that height.
Well, we'll just get some out there. Let's see, I've got my chainsaw.
Yeah. She's me alarm clock as well. Is there any rain at all, Cam?
Say that one again.
Is there rain? Is there any rain?
What, tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, from 4.
Yeah, just I'd only spray the dry stuff, innit?
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? All my stuff's wet. I'd have a go, but it's just, you know what I mean? I'm not...
The thing is, it would have been apart from
You've not got trout in that pond. Do you know what? Every time I lay one of these stones, a little bit of soul runs down my leg.
I remember when I first met you and you were saying that, and I thought you were mental.
Now you understand.
Well, now I know you, so...
Cam, your hammer, please. I don't mind me.
that wasn't soul, mate. That was soil.
Sorry.
There's a man. Great corner, Dad. That's the thing. They're not perfectly cornered.
You actually being serious? You thought that was a corner?
Yeah, you can clean that.
It's a triangle. Don't take him though, he's coming in. Look hard to these parts and start being a nuisance.